What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Morel, and we're back with another video. We got the Celica again. I'm gonna talk to you guys today about simple stuff, simple mods that I've done to the Celica and where we at so far. In the beginning, I did an introduction to the car and we spoke about pretty much everything I had done to the car, but I didn't get down to details. So today we're gonna go through all the details and everything we've done to the car. We're gonna start with the engine so you guys see. We still got the 1.8 engine on it. It's a 7 AFE. There's nothing much done to the engine yet, but we are going to be replacing this engine for the 5S GT, which is pretty much a 3S GT with a 2.2 block from a Camry. So you guys are going to be seeing that. It's a turbocharged engine. It's supposed to be pushing around 400 once we're done with it. That's our goal. We could probably be pushing a little bit more, but we don't want to stress the body too much. It's just kind of like a show car. The car has currently the GT4 bumper on it. It's an aftermarket bumper, so that's the reason why you guys see the fitment on it. It's not right, so that's something I got to work on. Maybe we'll be getting the original one later on. It has the fenders from the ST. The GT4 fenders usually comes with lights right here, so we might be changing these fenders. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. So far, everything else is stock on the car. This particular car did not come with these side skirts, so we bought the side skirts. We installed them on it. They usually don't come with these, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that on another video. And it has XSR wheels, which I got off of a friend of a friend. We got the GT4 booster. This is aftermarket as well. This came off of eBay, and they sell them on it's fiberglass, a fiberglass part. So I'll put on the comments a link, or I'll put a link on the description so you guys can get this. It's pretty cheap. It's like 60 bucks, and it makes the wing rise up, so it looks really nice. This is stock lights on the back. When I first purchased the car, it had the Japanese lights, but one of them was cracked, which I actually like more than these, but it does give it, you know, the same old style look. So apart from that, we got a tail back here, which I'm not proud of, so I won't talk too much about it. I am gonna replace this. It's pretty much just hanging on there. And then we're clearly missing the windshield wiper for the back, and the antenna, which I'm gonna be getting a electric antenna. They used to have those on the 90s. It has an aftermarket sunroof that came with the car, which I still got to figure out which sunroof is, you know, the specifics on it, because it does not close correctly. So we're going to be replacing this. Maybe we'll get a moonroof. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. Maybe I should just get a moonroof. And then hopefully soon we'll be getting this carbon fiber hood, and that's something that's coming for later videos, so stay tuned. We're also doing the Max Force max speeding rods coilovers on it. That's gonna be for the next video as well, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. So with the interior, guys, we got pretty much everything stock in here, although all the parts from the interior are not from this car itself. But these seats are from a regular ST. This car actually came with the leather seats on the back. So but this specific seats came from a 1999 Toyota Celica GT, and we got those door panels from it as well. So those are not the stock ones. The stock ones were the ones that you roll up with your hand. So I ended up getting these because I wanted to upgrade to power windows, power door locks. So that's what I'm working on. As you can see on this door, let me show you guys. This door actually has the power motor here. the door locks and everything are supposed to be powered. So I'm rewiring all this. These speakers are brand new. They're not really name brands, so eventually I am gonna replace them as well, just because I don't know how long they're gonna last, but I'll do a review on these speakers eventually. So yeah, I'm rewiring all this so that, you know, all of it can work. It's the same exact thing I'm gonna be doing on that door. I got also this door from a 99 Celica, the same one I got the seats from. And then I'll be doing covers on these seats. So that's also gonna be down on the videos. We got the cluster, the white cluster, and we got the steering wheel from a CRV, from a Toyota RAV4, I'm sorry, from a Toyota RAV4. We got the steering wheel, and we got this shift knob from a FRS, TRD FRS. So I'll be leaving that on the description so you guys can see that as well.